Hello children, I hope you all are fine. I am Miss Neelam, teacher of class JR.K.G from TODDLEDOM school. Children, today it's our craft class. And children, today we are going to learn basic folding. Learn how to fold the craft paper. Okay? So children, you have to be ready with your A3 book, your craft paper and a glue. So children, get ready. Let's see. Okay children, today we are going to do is basic craft folding. So materials which we need are 2 craft paper, A3 book and a glue or a Fevicol. So now children, write today's topic name, that is craft folding. Write here today's date. Now children, take one craft paper, any color of your choice. Now children, from this point to this point, we are going to fold it. A simple one fold touching both the points. Okay, and press it this way. Press it properly. Now children, tell me, which shape is this? Which shape is this? It's a triangle. So now we are going to stick it with the help of Fevicol or a glue. Okay. Now stick it properly in the middle of the page. This much is done. Now turn the page. Okay. And on this side you are going to make another fold. So now children, from this line to this line you are going to fold this craft paper this way. Once this fold is done, make a fold from here to here this way. Children, fold it properly, press it. Okay. So children, which shape is this? It's a square. Which shape is this? It's a square. So now children, stick a glue. Okay. And now stick the square in the middle of the page this way. Okay. So your craft folding is done. So children, I hope you all enjoyed today's class. So children, this way you can learn many different shapes today, as we have learned how to make triangle and square with the help of paper folding. So children, keep learning. Till then, take care. See you in your next class. Bye.